Welcome everybody, it's Jake here from Empire, and today we are going to go through Strong. Okay, we're going to do some trade analysis on this and where I think price action is going. I'll get my offside of Matt to do another update on the AMA meetings. Fundamentally, I still believe in Strong long term. Okay, so look, guys, I personally have about I think it's 17 nodes. I'll see if I can just get that up. It's a screenshot of it. And what have I been doing with it? Okay, here's a screenshot of all our nodes. Okay, so got about 17 of them. And what have I been doing? I've been selling to USD. Okay, or USDC. Okay, why? Because I've been reading the price action of where the market is going. Okay, and I'll show you why. All right. So I've sold it roughly about $27,000 to US. Why? Because look, I'm just following the basic tools of reading price action. Okay, you can use this on any time frame, on any chart. Okay, so look, price action was pumping up here. All right, so as you can see over here, let's move this over a little bit so you can see. Well, we were making high highs, high lows, high highs. So we're trending up. All right, this is looking great. Price action is looking good. Then we came up here. We grabbed a lot of liquidity. A lot of people started selling off. Okay, and this is about the same time Bitcoin started selling off. We came down here. We didn't break trend here. We had a rejection at this last point of demand. Okay, I'll just delete this. I'll zoom right in for you. This is the last point of demand. Okay, this is the last point of demand right here. Okay, so respected this little order block right here that price action was rejecting. However, we came up, grabbed liquidity, filled in balance right here, made it efficient, and then price has broken down. What the price is $611. Okay, and we had a weekly change of trend. So we actually had a change of trend. However, this is a confirmed trend. Okay, why? Because we've had two lows and a high. All right, because if you go backwards, this was a low, lower high. Then we created another lower low. So this is a confirmed trend that we're going to the downside. All right. So I was like, early start of this year, I was like, this is going to sell off and highly likely gravitate towards the $300 mark to $200 mark. Okay. So we started selling off, or I started selling off around here. Okay. So I sold off a bunch of accumulated strong tokens, and price action started selling down. So we just sold more of a bunch around here as well. Okay, so most of our team started selling off. You can just start seeing that price action was going to push down. This is the same with the rest of the crypto market. If you follow this on most altcoins, you can see that we're clearly trending downwards. All right, so do I still believe in strong long term? Yes, definitely. However, I do think there is going to be downside. All right, so we have just changed, pushed down, and created another weekly boss. All right. So where do I think price action is going to go to? We've got these two key areas here. This is what I'll be looking at. All right. This is the same at Bitcoin. If Bitcoin does not hold, I think it's $37,000 is the last point of demand. Price action will go down to $30,000. It's the same with everything else. You can see on the charts, all charts look like this. They got this point of interest down here with a bit of, this got liquidity void that price action will fill. Okay. It will. So I'm predicting price action will come down to 270. We'll say 300. 300 is here. So we're not far off. But this is the last high that price action could reject. All right, we've got no idea. No one knows where price action is going. But however, you can highly get into high probability areas to enter trades, buy crypto, and look for the good points to sell as well. Okay. So look, we've got this first target right here, which is what's this? $200 to $300 I'm looking at right now. All right. And then the next area will be here. If the bear market does continue and $30,000 does not hold for Bitcoin, we're going down to $20,000. Okay. I'm calling it right now. But you need to not get emotional. I went through all this last bear market. I was just hoping. I was always hoping. I was learning. I started trading, 5 years ago. However, I was just very, very emotional, and I was just hoping for the fucking moon. But it never happened. Okay, it did happen, but then it crashed. Okay, it's the same right now. You need to take profits. You need to take partials. Get your money back at least in projects, and then reinvest at good entries. All right. If you're just buying projects when they're pumped, you'll get burnt. Okay. So right now, what do we need to happen? Price action is likely to gravitate towards these key areas. We need a change of order flow to push up. This is the last weekly high right now. All right. So price action needs to get above here to confirm a new trend upwards. All right. So I'll be looking at that key area, and if this doesn't hold, we'll likely go down to what's this, 140 to 60 bucks. Okay. No, I don't want it to go down there. I want it to go to the moon, so I have a massive passive income and I don't have to work. But it's not going to happen right now. Okay. But I am working. This is my full-time job. However, so look, this wick here. So wicks like to get mitigated. So I know long term, this will get mitigated and price action will push up here in the future. When? I've got no idea. However, I know long term, fundamentally, strong is the best one out there for nodes at the moment. I'm a big believer in it. There's a lot of rug pulls out there. I've been in the other ones like Ring and all that. They've just taken our money. So just stay with the most fundamental projects, especially with the alts, and you'll be fine long term. Okay. So look, they're my two key points of interest that I'll be looking at buying, accumulating some more. As I mentioned before, sold off about $27,000 to USDC for this project, and then I'll just buy more once it gets down to these two key levels. All right, so I might put a limit order down here, and then another one down here as well, and then accumulate more for long term. All right, this is long term passive income, and if you get in these key areas, this is great. Like, you got to see this as opportunity to accumulate. This is gonna be awesome. The crypto market's not going to die on the ass. Like, it will bounce back, even if we do fall to the lows of 15 to 20 grand. I'm excited because I know I can just accumulate more that I missed out on. So it's going to be fun and interesting times, especially the next couple of months. So we'll see how price action reacts. But anyway, guys, just a quick one. Invest safely. I'd highly recommend learning how to trade, not trade, but read price action. This will help with your buy and sell entries, this will help with your buy entries and your sell orders. All right, and you can highly predict where price action is going. And you can, you need to learn to take profits in all these projects. It doesn't matter what project, take profits, because they can just go from 13 cents to $20, which I did that for Icon last bull run, and then I held on to it. It came back to 10 cents. You need to take profits on everything. Okay, if you're holding Bitcoin, Ethereum long term, yeah, be fine. Okay, but just getting good entries. Don't be buying at highs. You want to be buying at lows. Like right now, price action is dribbling down to here. I'll be looking at entries here. I'll be looking at entries here. But I'll be waiting for what Bitcoin does as well. Same with Ethereum. All right. Anyway, guys, enjoy it. Enjoy your day. Have a great one, and I will catch you around next time. Thank you.